Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez.
They are both in. One of them is just open. Our boy Austin is talking to our friend Lisa.
I am. Wait, Lisa, say hi for the blog.
Say hi for the vlog.
Hi, Kevin!
Taking a little side trip, a little side quest, right, Austin?
Yeah, we love a little side quest.
So this is Melmont. It's another one of the houses that needs saving in Natchez, Mississippi. And somebody owns it and it's just sitting here. Isn't it fantastic? It's an incredible house. And it still has its extant quarters in the back here, slave quarters are back here.
I guess they have a brace on the side of it.
Right, so this side, yeah, like they were talking about that side fell off. This side fell off and they kind of put it back. But I knew that there was a brace over here too, so it's a lot. But wow.
It's so impressive.
Isn't it impressive?
And you all almost ended up with this house, didn't you?
Well, this is, yeah, one we looked at, but I don't think it's for sale.
Look at the scoring on the side of it. Wow.
Yeah, ashlar block scoring all on the side. Stucco all over.
That egregious 1960s window on the top.
There. But you know, you can see that back in the day this was incredible.
Why are we stopped for traffic? Let's see.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Oh, I love it.
Good heavens, how many are
I've
there?
never seen that many.
No.
Yeah, at this point.
Looks like it was a good summer for goslings. Everybody seems to have made it.
Made babies.
Little Eddie is fixing one of our steps. He's been kind of working on this staircase in the walkthrough, just off and on as he's got time. And it's getting close to having some prime put on it, isn't it? And Nova finds it very boring. And she's not helping at all. She's really not much help other than support. And she's good for a pet or a lick every now and then. Aren't you, girl? Bored.
Say, you got to let him get up there.
I'm way too short.
He ain't done it. You got to face nail it right there. Reach out there and hit that. You have to hand that gun to Eddie.
Finally, I have paint. It's actually the trim color of the dining room. Finally got it up. Don't have it on the stool still. because just put primer on that today. Was waiting for the epoxy to get nice and hard. Got my weight pockets over here painted up, and I've got this one painted up. Let that dry, and then we can get the rollers back in, and it'll be ready for some sashes. But I still have to prime and paint the seal on this one. The stool, I should say.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Ball.
I'm Marla Tobin.
And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi.
Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today.
With an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes.
Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Well, the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city.
On the highest bluff?
On the mightiest river in America.
If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
And here is the finished vents. Yay! And on the other side, we have our air handler. Guys, it's coming together. Are you ready? Are you ready? Cook it! Good boy, Stanny. Good boy. Drop it. Good boy. Cook it! Jack. Hey, buddy. Look at that. Everything closed up. We had to fix the siding next to it, about 3 or 4 pieces that were not long enough. And we just need a couple shutters over the middle there. Look at that. Almost like it didn't burn. Isn't that exciting? Still got a little more scraping, sanding to do on the side, and then we can put primer on there. It's gonna look really good, y'all. Yay! Eddie's back to leveling the walls. Kind of tedious and annoying, but it has to be done before we can get drywall in here. I already see that you put in one, is that a 1/2 inch piece? 3/4 inch. 3/4 off, huh? Yeah.
A couple places over here. No, it's how they milled the wood back then.
Yeah.
Use plastic kind of floated out before, back in the old days.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They got,
Make it smooth, the plaster. Get it thicker, as thin as you need it. Drywall, not that way.
no, you gotta get the wall a little flatter.
Yeah, and then you got dead wood to put in a lot of the corners too, so it'll take the drywall. But, you know, you got one room done. Are the walls done in there? Just the ceiling and this one wall?
Just the ceiling.
Yeah.
It's got a little dead wood. That one's not as bad. This is one of the worst walls.
Yeah, it is bad. It is bad. So you tackle it first, and then the rest of it will be smooth sailing.
I got sitting in there taking down that crown mold.
Oh, okay.
Getting that plastic.
Yeah.
Trying to get all that prepared.
Y'all be careful. We want to save all that. Yeah, and be careful around the windows. Oh, I see you got that window up. So today I am driving back to Arkansas, and Lane is driving from Arkansas back to Natchez. Somebody will be at the cottage to take care of our baby dogs and our kittens and our boneses. But you want to see something that's gonna make Mrs. Berry very unhappy? It's this. She does not like a beard, so sometimes I will grow one when she's away. Probably gonna leave it there. I mean, look how old and gray. She says it makes me look older, which I'm sure it does. So I had to jump off real quick there because Mrs. Berry called me while she was driving, and we talked for about 45 minutes. But yeah, she's not real happy about this beard at all. So if you agree with her, comment, Lane, you were right. And if you just absolutely love it and think that I need to keep it, it's not going to happen anyway, but you can comment that. So I should be passing Lane Eden at any minute now. I'm headed back to Arkansas. She's headed back to Natchez. Let's see if this is her right here. No, that's not her. That's pretty silly though, isn't it? She's bringing a Tank and a Bean back to Natchez, so we're gonna have 4 dogs and 3 cats, 2 of which are kittens, in that tiny cottage. But it's actually been pretty comfortable, even with the 2 big dogs, which we were kind of worried about. But it's been fine, so we decided to bring Bean and Tank back because they missed their mama and their daddy. So that's pretty much the whole family back together.
That's Daddy? No, that's not Daddy. That's not Daddy. He thought we were close. You're not tall enough to help Mama see Daddy. That's not Daddy. I think that's Daddy. Is that Daddy? Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. There was Daddy. We saw Daddy.
So I should be passing Lane Eden any minute now. I'm driving back to Arkansas. Oh, is this her right here? No. Yeah. That was her. She's headed back to Natchez now. That's hilarious that we just drove by each other.